just running
We saw a
around.
coyote.
A lone great blue heron.
Oh yeah, green blue heron flew over.
Set it up. So yeah. What's your email address?
It's Michael MICHAEL McColly MCCOLLY.
We're at the far west end of Gary, Indiana now. We are actually at the Pine Station and the Clark and Pine Station preserves. And we just met some nice people who are off to get lunch. So we're going to check this out and then call it a day.
I really felt like I had a purpose, and if somebody, wanted to say, "Oh, you can't do it," I would go, "Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm just following these birds," Sweet in here. It's amazing. It's so amazing. It's really quiet back here too.
Yeah.
Except for
So I had always been told that historically, before white settlement, north of the Grand Cal was where the pines were, and then south of the Grand Cal was where the oaks took over.
okay.
So I would imagine what we're seeing here, little oak nursery, is probably trying to, reestablish. Yeah.
I planted some jack pines in Chicago along the beach, and they're
Yeah.
doing pretty good.
Ah, shit. Nope. Nope, it's not gonna happen. We're gonna have to walk all the way back. Because I'll show you why. It is beautiful out here though. It is so blue right now. Just a little too far. And honestly, that little ridge there might even be an island. Make it worth it, yeah. So not only is the map not the territory this time, the map is a total lie. Be a disaster, friends.
Okay,
You ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I hope so. Oh, that was easy. I think it's shorter here than the other one.
Hey.
Man,
Yes.
that was a journey.
Yes, it was.
Holy cow. So we got all the way to the end of this preserve and
since-
realized we had to turn around.
and we saw exactly 2 mallard ducks.
Yeah.
That's it.
I guess for the purpose of the bird watch, it wasn't particularly fruitful, but we got donuts.
We got donuts, and I love this place.
I'd never been back in this part before, so.
This is an
Yeah.
extraordinary that it remains, despite everything around it.
Well, Michael, it was good to have you. I'm wondering if I even introduced you earlier
okay.
in the video. I may not. People are going to watch this and be like, is that the new host of the show or something?
No, you just say that I'm a bird or friend of yours, Mike, that's okay.
So,
We can save that to when we go up to the
yeah,
Rogers Park.
yes, we've schemed something up, so. All right, everybody, thank you again for joining this adventure. This might end up being like 2 or 3 videos, you never know. But if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. And once again, I appreciate the likes, the comments, the shares, the dialogue, all that. So if you want to be on this show, let me know. You don't even have to bring donuts. All right, take care, everyone.
Thanks.